Standard 12th, Subject Stats. Students, now our 1.3 is over. Next is our exercise 1.4. For that, the topic is cost of living index number. So, in your book, page number 47. Page number 47. See the formula list. Cost of living index number. If the question is asked about method of total expenditure, cost of living index number, but if it is asked in the question, you have to calculate cost of living index number by the method of total expenditure. Okay, then if in the question quantity is given, then you have to use Laspeyres formula, and if in the question if Q1 quantity of current year is given, you have to use the Paasche formula. Okay, so when you are asked to solve the sum by the total expenditure method, read the question carefully. If the base year quantity Q0 is given, apply Laspeyres formula. If in the question quantity of current year, that means Q1 is given, apply Paasche formula. Okay, this is method of total expenditure. And if the method of family budget is asked, then it's a simple formula, sigma IW upon sigma W, जो हम आगे कर चुके हैं, right? So if it is asked cost of living index number, formula is sigma IW upon sigma W. Method of family budget, sigma IW upon sigma W. In total expenditure, as per Q0 and Q1, these two formulas can be applied. Okay, so on that base, exercise 1.4, open your textbook, page number 31, exercise 1.4, question number 1. Get ready for this. I have copied the question. It's given group, weight, expenditure of 2013 and expenditure of 2015. The previous year, that is 2013, is a base year, so its expenditure I have taken as P0. 2015 is the current year, so its expenditure I have taken as P1. Okay, here quantity is not given. Expenditure I have taken as price. So base year P0, current year P1. Okay, now I am reading the question. The following data is obtained from the family budget inquiry of middle class people. State the change in the cost of living index number in the year 2015 with respect to the year 2013 by finding the index number. So the question is, you have to find in the change in the cost of living. So obviously what you have to find, cost of living index number that is asked in the question. And what is the formula? Just now I have explained you. Cost of living index number is, what is the formula? Sigma IW upon sigma W, right? So now we want I. W तो है अपने पास, weight is given in the question, so we want I. I's formula is P1 upon P0 into 100. Remember, index number is P1 upon P0 into 100. Now you can easily find. You have P1, you have P0. P1 upon P0 into 100. That means 3900 divided by 3000 into 100. 1850 divided by 1450 into 100. P1 divided by P0 into 100. Easily you can find the I. P1 divided by P0 into 100. Use your calculator and you will find the answer. P1 divided by P0 into 100. 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 You got the I, P1 upon P0 into 100, right? Now what do you want? Sigma IW. So you have to make the column IW. I into W. IW means I into W. इस और इस कॉलम का मल्टीप्लाई करना एंड यू विल गेट द IW. Okay, so IW means I column into W columns multiply. I have did that. Now sigma IW. Sigma means total. So you have to do the total of this column, and the total is 13,563.85 upon sigma W. Sigma W means total of W column. It's 100. Now it's very simple. Sigma IW is sigma 100, W is 100, and simply divide it by 100. Your answer is 135.64. Cost of living index number sigma IW upon W. W is weight, I is index number. If I is not given, find by P1 upon P0 into 100, then IW upon W. Now here the question is, you have to find the change in the cost of living index in the year 2015 with respect to the year 2013. यानी cost of living index number में कितना change आया है, that you have to find. So 135.64 minus 100, that means you have to compare this number by 100. So as you can see, it is increased by 35.64%. यानी 100 से कंपेयर करो. एज अ बेस ईयर्स इंडेक्स नंबर इज 100. तो बेस ईयर का इंडेक्स नंबर होता है 100, उससे कंपेयर कर रहे हो तो हमारा करंट ईयर का इंडेक्स नंबर क्या आया, 135.64. दैट मीन्स देयर इज इंक्रीज by 35.64. This is the change in the cost of living. Okay, this is our question. Now in the question it is said that if the average monthly disposable income of a family in the 2013 is rupees 15,000. This is question 1. Continue. It is given monthly income in the year 2013 is rupees 15,000. Now you are asked to find the monthly disposable income of the year 2015. This is the question. Income of 2013 is 15,000, and you have to find the income of 2015. So we will find it with the help of index number. This is income of 2013 and 15's income we have to find. How we will find? With the help of index number. Now just now अभी आपने इंडेक्स नंबर फाइंड किया है 130.5.64. दिस इज द इंडेक्स नंबर ऑफ करंट ईयर, एंड आवर करंट ईयर इज 2015. So 2015's index number is 135.64. Remember, this is the index number of current year. Current year means 2015. So this is the index number of current year. Okay. Now 2013 जो previous year होता है हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Base year. Base year's index number is always 100. Remember this. So 2013 is a base year. Its index number 100. 2015 is the current year. Its index number you have calculated 135.64. Index number of 13, index number of 15. Income of 2013 is given, and income of 2015 you have to calculate. Simply do the cross multiplication. 15,000 into 135.64 upon 100, and you will find the answer. Income of 2015 is rupees 20,346.